Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all type of new videos for your crocheting knowledge. We are trying always to show you very creative and unique videos. Today's video is all about baby crochet hats. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your baby. Crochet baby hats are both adorable and practical, making them popular projects for crafters. Here are some ideas and tips for creating beautiful crochet baby hats. Basic patterns are: start with a magic ring, then work in rounds with increases until you reach the desired diameter. Continue without increasing for the body of the hat. Use soft, body-friendly yarn like a cotton or a baby acrylic blend. Add a simple ribbed edge or a cute pom-pom for extra charm. Similar to a beanie, but with an extended back section to cover the neck. You can add ties or a button to keep the hood in place. Choose a warm, cozy yarn for extra comfort. Customize the size based on the baby's age and heads. Start with the basic beanie pattern, then add air flaps by working additional rounds or sections from the side of the hat. Customize the size based on the baby's age and head circumstances. Start with the basic beanie pattern. Use a thicker worm for warmth. Add braids or ties to the ear flags for a playful touch. Use a wide brim and a light, breathable yarn. You can create a scalloped edge or a simple brim by adding extra rounds. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.